Time to explore adverbs of time. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our series on adjectives and adverbs. Today we're going to dive deep into a fascinating aspect of adverbs, adverbs of time. These adverbs help us know when something happens, making them a key ingredient in describing events. By the end of this video, you will have a firm understanding of adverbs of time and how to use them effectively in your sentences. Let's get started. Adverbs, in general, give us more information about verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Specifically, adverbs of time tell us when an action took place. They answer the question, when did it happen? Examples include words like yesterday, now, soon, later, and tomorrow. These adverbs can provide precise timing or a general sense of the timing of an event. It's crucial to know where to position these adverbs in your sentences. Generally, adverbs of time are placed at the beginning or end of a sentence. For instance, beginning, yesterday, I started a new book. End, I started a new book yesterday. But remember, English is a flexible language and there are exceptions to these rules. Make sure the sentence makes sense in the context you're using it. Let's dive into more examples to understand how we can use adverbs of time. 1. Now, I am studying now. 2. Later, we will discuss it later. 3. Soon, she will arrive soon. 4. Today is a beautiful day. 5. Yesterday, I finished my work yesterday. 6. Tomorrow is my day off. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, make sure to use these adverbs in your daily English conversations. And there we have it. We've covered what adverbs of time are, where to place them in sentences, and several common examples. We hope this video makes your understanding of adverbs of time clear and helps you to use them accurately in your conversations. As always, keep practicing and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. In our next video, we'll explore another exciting topic in English grammar. Until then, keep learning, and don't forget, practice is the key to mastering any language. Goodbye for now and happy learning.